Yakoya chia. And Wama Bibri Wohonwa, Yebetumi Akai. During the MPP time, Yehu crisis ya, Kukuno, Egure Muniade. And it seems like, for now, NPP Ejna Baby wants to prove innocence from all that is happening. I say, Yede Yenyeshi. Aban afem nesu watchre bibi eye bibi any ade, and people find it so much worrying because yase kru etokrama pampamu obewu no enye danwa ne 23 hu awu ebi kru awutimi
na so na pampam ka ne tiri no esi de kru ekumbe kun kraman ene to na pam
there be the mention they say
ananya sa so and da obeto bo atwa asu fra
minimum
enye dana na mafisi
minimum what I'm saying is that ekuro no etokraman na pampamu enye danwa no wu that's how I want to put it
anti odi na
enye be na mebu
odi na ya abe enye be
abe eto na pampamu enye danwa no wu yedim se kuro ebeto na pampamu de kuno ba enye danwa no wu ebetumi abaso obekọ wura mkura so okọkire nam obeduru ho no wakowu nso eto ni tirimu bia wo fie
yes
enti bebre susu se mo aye no ma bia ma na twam ena amakru abeda kokubod ena nam so menei ase yehuni yehuni enti mo yi ho free mu a enye yie and there are a lot of information around that pointing back to no ma bia na ekoso dada na ehu ni se eno so eye how e dey be wie dey edri. I don't know your take on it, and of course my answer see if you won kwan no abanti enya no 11.
Number 1, my mention say NDC aban any president aban amahama aban oma disappoint Koko Ekuafo big time enye we no mo ka kire Koko Ekuafo so ne me ya adwene sa
o maka be
enye we eno mo promise Koko Ekuafo e ma me san ka bi o se Nana do danko Akufo ado abre so na Koko obo ba afom a ka ye nti Koko Ekuafo sika so da
Nana do danko Akufo ado apenso
Nana do na se Koko unim se adwaman so enyina faako ekosoro na abafom ekosoro na abafom NPP abre so Koko na enye stable 8 years ni nyina mebo aka kire me.
Oh, I understand. 2017 say confirm. 2017-2018 crop season.
Ebreben ena wote da say yesi Koko adwaman so ne bo aba fom nti NPP ate Ekuafo sika so. Na do danko Akufo ado ate Ekuafo sika so.
So kohwe sa abre no.
Oh, I ba question. Me
been see that.
Good.
E wona na do penso.
Yeah, I understand. You know, because Koko no adwuma na aban ne Koko Ekuafo ye no. Enye loto na Ekuafo tu. Ena woko na aboadi no okochina na ayi ama no enye enu nti ne yewo an institution a manage Koko sector no e ba chawati ate sesi a abansi Koko ebo aba forma wati ma ho be the next be 3-4 months e betimi asan ajampe akosoro nti duru ho no ma na watu mu ana etina me se nye loto na Ekuafo ne to enti aban no e wo se wutimi kushin wo mo so de abegina 3006 emprempren ya no wonim Koko Ekuafo na boa wo man no o ma support ye pa enti o se aban wo kopesika na de ba be kushin wo mo na buo ni nyina honom ebuo ni gina honom a eye den a e be san abasoro ba jo wate ase e hono na aban no wo 30% da wonya free wo mu no omohono odi beba abeshim
now they tell
you don't make them worse off, especially what baba can't kire wo mo say isabra president Akufo ado wo so no say ye de akonya ne maawa na wo na wo ho anka abem wo mo 6,000 per bag.
So no they compare dollar rate.
Oh, forget about the dollar rate. Nobody talked about dollar rate then. Omo kan dollars.
So I'm saying I'm
gina simple.
I'm saying I'm 9,800.
Me say enya no ne mo promise if you December 2024 mba. And na mo say was nke ma 6,000 me boy. Omo ba January no. Na omo ntimi mfa nko 6,000. Omo ba February no omo te ho ye den. March, April, May, June no omo te ho ye den. July, August, no much over there. How man fan system? Because that time ni na bo no was no. In fact, me
will be some question.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is that the first quarter budget Meba, the first quarter budget. Ye no afi bia awie no. Edi wura afi fufu.
Argument no enhodi because
let me
see August.
Yes,
maybe my point.
Okay, February no much worry. I want us to do those
February no much
the first quarter out and continue.
In fact, the government buying per se or yeah. Obetimi because na afen no the budget crash and beba or power ebia say your budget NPP abre.
Okay.
They can spend no more e dia ba be share budget no more ba be no for approval. Ba na meka no kwa. But the chance yemfa argument no kra na after March no more your budget no. Every July ne June ne May ne ebe pay August no more to here dey no man fan go 6,000. Obeka ya President Mahama ba be ka kire ye say. So we need asase kura ko pebi.
Yeah.
Because to say koku adwuma ne mu be yehwam.
I remember.
Finance minister ni ye ba be di nkomo bi ayanti bi da. Me pa cho he. Me ba koku cost na mo kan so ba me pese me lewe issues we answer.
Okay.
Sabre na den na President Mahama ehu.
Intia sector.
Yes.
Okay.
Because no be the president for close to 8 months. Me pa cho what you say.
Yeah.
See you are on cocoa board. Eti die be na wahu saa brentia. Obema saa promise na makuafo gidie ko osoro a. Ye nyina no na ye nim se de baabi ade ne keka ko de 6,000 abam.
Okay.
Meboa. Because obi ehunu se de President Mahama beka se wuni asase a wudi ye koko akone kope bi no. Bi o thought say de enuoma no bibia ye kama. Because sabre no unim de ntia na koko obuo ni gusu wo soro etu ye sure so mo ba afoforo no na problem wo koko board said de ne omo pese omo pia gu NPP so na etinka NDC pa dwuma omo de NPP appointees nkombe kan omano atum sabre na koko obuo ne ma afom no ya ante sa NPP aye boni bia wo koko sector. Sabre no wo ICU wabato handing over nose wo around the ambensu de minim so parking kan pa sabre no every sector, in fact the cocoa board no so she Ministry of Finance ase mpacho what you say eti finance ministry no adwuma bia no so omo yema President Mahama hu se cocoa board ho no problem wo honom NPP atete ho na pansam ho no enka me sure say enka mo de ba betu bia onim say commodities de bia ya ka say enye Ghana na fixed prices no international can say market no and determine price no it is all begina so the share board in bia wan hwe ya wanim begu ase eti President Mahama beka say akoko awuni ko asase a kone kopa bi no me pacho na obetima ba begina ho ka che say kopa asase o yedi nkomo ebo no wahwe aso obetimi abeka che say kopa asase na aya akono
onya motivation
kokko akuafo aye worse off now tina make say enye loto no omoto eti wasa aban kopa sika eba be show omiti no sa time na problem bia ni kokko board ebio mami bra we so
that one to there.
Problem be any cocoa board.
Right.
And as we speak, problem will be any cocoa board.
As we speak.
Yes. Cocoa board more kebia. Relax, maybe mama minchim. Se cocoa board abo kebia. If you come in chroma pen so a car ye DSC akuafo.
But NDC
forget about
no,
NDC.
But I can't allow NDC you to go like that. In 2016, when they were leaving,
me argument. No,
but what can they say? Na etwemu kosa no. More like more cardia.
Na me develop a point no. Me san kebi why. Me say cocoa board more. If you come in chroma brain so. And SCC cocoa akuafo. Abani se du bia mate 40%, mate 30%. Say sika no se nka ni nyina kokoko akuafo. The more friend ka no. Strategic eka. I will not consider that to be a liability.
No so say.
Mo on asokore mampo akwan no. Mbajo so kai say ye the cocoa rules sika ni bi na ye asokore part of it. Mbajo so kai. So okay me boa. It is a what they or you can say, Oka nam soa. eye sika wo se nkekwa akuafo ho cocoa board deducte and wako into a sector under normal circumstance enye cocoa board adwuma. So let's not make it appear say cocoa board mom aboka and now wabo omaneka
sector ben no koyenye cocoa board
akwan ye cocoa na adwuma.
Yes, cocoa root omo de ahyem
and America say enye na adwuma eye cocoa akuafo a ka woton a wo se sika ni nyina akọ omo. Eti President Mahama abraso a strategically cocoa board boka edi sika cocoa wura akwan mu no me pa cho ye betimi aka ne tese so o ma bo man ne ka ade a ye friend no say eye ka one eye misappropriation causing financial loss to the state me pa cho what ase and na say bi kurampa ade a be san my criminal kakra eye say was spend enye criminal but eye wrongdoing ebe ye say was spend outside your budget. But the America question is say cocoa board invest.
But you can't rule out mismanagement and so.
Mismanagement.
Say to no maybe
mismanagement than the bed.
Okay, I
but
get
the
you.
American say cocoa board invest in Rosa. Wa boy kuyafoka. But o mine wo more because o mine asade say ye akwan. Meaning so what angle na me free banner.
Right.
Say cocoa board disikani ko see hospital and war running on a commercial basis can be generating revenue amano. But let's not forget say cocoa board as an entity and a profit making entity. What you say? Eti enye me wan say abanya beka say e kana about a kana cocoa rose no government say or absorbing nyina aba Ministry of Finance na Rose Ministry na take you over because a strategic. Ebiewunso no let's not forget say said the American contract some na NDC for ka say say ya boka ko aya contracts aya award be 24 billion ne ho ase 21 billion na omo ka ho ase mu no 21 billion ni nyina no entimi nyaka akoko anim de enti etesa fa say ma award a contract to you to CA our contract is worth 5 million Ghana cedis. Now, what raise a certificate or IPC interim payment certificate of about 1 million Ghana cedis. A car may do the 1 million, 4 million way and a mutual car. Meaning what they make an answer. NDC cannot hide behind acquire ekano and create impression be say NPP for abo kebia to ho enti na yentimi to koko akuafo ekoko no tina me catch from the November neighbor December January February almost 4 months. It was because na koko bo no adwaman so aba fom eti na aban ni so say okoto ne bo na water na obeboka asem na wie yen nyina no sese ya omo beti so yi no me pa cho say NPP agya ka ato o meboa yem fa say NPP Canada ho still say on benyes get to aguafo no ka say do benyes get to aguafo no ka because ebo na omo beti omo tu asese they are comfortable with that nti ene de enya NPP for na aboka ato nti omunye sika meboa nti mesramo de bia ya kan ba say President Mahama na meetie several times most of the platforms. You see President Mahama every crowd there taxi drivers omo pour libation omo de petrol and e be pour libation. The ba just as I say koko de atwamfo ni bi a kire. So on me ya adwene say nya Mahama na amafu obo abafom. So on me ya adwene say
world price e coffee.
That is why politicians NPP was here cry sua bibi and this was here sua bibi ya anya sa ho de bia ye be ye trofo e wo ye manfo anim ye be play politics with commodities bia ye ni control over gold cocoa fuel NPP abreso at some point na for boy say $154 per barrel as we speak and now I'm check here na fuel a barrel crude oil no e $62.7 per barrel. It is fa compare. It is say full obo e wo forma. Ni ye bo Mahama ya ade aye hunu bi da. Obi kra so osunda ye kra no ka say NPP beba power bi o ana ne machine afa full ho because when him say full obo be koso. But ye mompa ye say be gina ho no.
But we know that the exchange rate also plays a role. Meboa.
Exchange rate no me ya
say bia maybe I will say 150 per barrel, right?
Yes.
So 150 per barrel, no, and as a wood ton na, it will be a bit cheaper than say Obertono at that time. It be a 16 cedis per dollar, now say 15 cedis per dollar. So the American say be a $150. Na it be a dollar near it be a me say 10 cedis. Instead say be a
Obertono fan say dollar near 10 cedis. Fan dollar near 10 cedis.
Dollar near 10 cedis.
No, you fan 10 cedis.
Maybe. Say we talk dollar no 10 cedis ya. For now, say fan say 10 cedis. Na o to Obertono 1,500. The CCA. Then
argument na mefa.
Wo dem land dey obetima say. Said dey me ma okwan ma okasa na allow me to talk.
Yeah.
Now we say because of say barrel no na 150 above him. And I make sure say that's not the only factor. But management is so can, especially when exchange rate factor no so say exchange rate no dollar no eco year they say be a dollar no a week in CD no so cost kakra say wo kofa no ma sika na nka wo de kofa no eso bete kakra it is a be $150 ya working now e be a time na move free so no say the 15 cedi per dollar no e check here sa abre no wo beton be 2,215 ti wo di fu ne ba bedru ha ne bo be yeden the same time say gina 150 per barrel ne ene kura ne ekoto a na okoto obenya no 1,500 meaning say fuel ni bedru a ebo no beba fam ti the exchange rate is also a factor.
Exchange rate no wonim nioma a favor exchange rate ni currently akoko wonim say fuel na international market ebo na ba fam no wonim say no ye one of the reasons here exchange rate no so a favor so wonim say
but it is
wait me busa say wonim na binya no na America me say okay first na $54 per barrel
right
okoto fuel no wa dwaman so na we hear more dollars and na dey kofa fuel na because that boarding
yeah
say we hear less dollars me pa cho what you say so nim sir
yeah
it you know the pressure on the city no eba form number 1
right
ma memfa wo argument no kra anka the me pa che ne say
right
international market no cost of crude aba form fan say $10 cedis na emfa say nyame mpemu mempese de to ye ni bi beto NDC because ebasa me metofu oni bi na crude akwa akogina $54 cedis me pa cho fuel ni ebeton ama ye 11 cedis ni 10 cedis ni eton cedis ya no
so be samba fam
ebe kosura na ebe ba fam
say ya tuma na say
me say international market na akogina $54 per barrel na all things being equal yemfa ne say a CD to dollar no ratio no gina 10 ni gina CCA na are you saying say still na ebeto no ebo ayeto ni CCA no
definitely a cost road there you have an adjustment
that is the point I'm making to baby how the befe for dollar and management and it doesn't come
no but it comes in because and now mo de car ba let's take it like e mo ko car a car you buy it 400,000 say okoto
asema America what the na nchen you
no I'm saying so are you about commodities no are you arguing
wait
no I don't want us to argue over this are you arguing say dollar rate no exchange rate any factor in fuel management
me say that point
and petroleum
point I mean making one time as me say aban bia ni control over commodity prices at international level
I know there is everyone knows
number 2 and I say NPP at some point say President Mahama and I'm a fool boy about for and I'm saying no cresa and I'm saying NPP address no now crude oil price and then barrel $154 at some point enough a liter of fuel obekaya near turn over 20 cedis because okay starting say airdrop ya yen be free in 2024 no then $87 per barrel and I make catch you say enye President Mahama na amafu na bafom eye international market na ebo na drop it fan say say 10 cedis no money rising kodru $87 na $54 no me pa cho fu oni begina ba bi egina say and that is the point I'm making woka dollar sam say no let's not forget say dollar na ya disika abegina na chi den artificial management of the cedi no ne dollar ni relationship no and no can wona kokko akuafo so aye worse off me just want me adwene sir
What that was
no when the meant was
no I'm finding something
one I mean within komo me say one me ya adwene say artificial management of the dollar no e kan won na cocoa board that west of
I don't know whether it's artificial because what I know is that the dollar is being managed.
No
Mona mo friend artificial because artificial no can pumping so the na mo so mo disika gum. I mean $4 billion and all those things. But mo say what dey so I don't know about artificial.
Any artificial you me question now me say dollar no only me ya adwene say NDC how o ma be dollar ni sesi account na cocoa board aye west of. Only me ya adwene
say na man aye west of.
Yes.
Well, it's part of the problem. That one obviously.
Only me ya adwene sir.
Yeah. It's part of the problem.
Which problem?
The problem is that cocoa board was indebted.
Oh, massa.
There are so many factors, so I can't stand on one. And as I sit here,
cocoa board trading cocoa adwaman so a wo ya wa analogy no wo catch them say that time no omu use dollar na dollar ye 15 cedis or say 14 cedis intino e ma abo ne ko so ma pose the same question to you are running away from it.
What question did you pose to me?
Me say dollar no NDC for artificially ayire no say enyina ba bi ejina
say. One friend artificial, that's what I put.
Me word
okay, that's fine.
Eti me ka say wona waka me na make.
Okay.
And I make a kire say woni me ya adwene say no ka ho na cocoa board aye we so fast we speak because omu trade the commodity in dollars.
And I said that yes, it's part of the problem because Yaya analysis was, and we've talked about all the problems that led to cocoa board issue. If I cannot stand with you, say I know you're the only problem. As a journalist, I won't stand with you. Say I know you're the only problem. It's the fact that it's part, and there are other instances.
Then you are standing with me. If it's part, you agree it's part. Then you are with me.
I told you by you said that.
Then you are with me.
Say I know that then that cannot be the only thing that has brought it. That's what I want you to know. That's my point.
And I'm saying,
and you know one that this how now.
Maybe me tie.
Many Eugene analysis.
No.
Sure.
I know can say by now was saying kayachi will be and was saying ki investigate will be. Mamenka be being say NDC intiminchi will be and the NPP say administration because wrongdoing be anko so. All my bet now well over 1 year. I feel bibi wo honoma or mobile investigation. The accident in an sika no munya. And I know esro so mu betua akuafo eka because e bo na aba adwaman so no. And senka NPP just as na make no. Ki ebe pesika e de aba so akuafo asene. Ye ma akuafo enye west of. Senka wo ma no akura ankwa ankoyi wo muka. Ese ye be ma ko akuafo 6,000. Ebio mitie owura Rikopoku campaign time no ese ye be ye health insurance amako koku ani bia ene ne yire me ba jo so kai ansem no ene koku akuafo ye de tumi ni bre mo a justification amode ma se omonye ebo na yate so ne ntum ne se fuel abafom dollar abafom enuanum num bia abafom enuoma ni bia abafom etise koku akuafo so koku obo ebafom a enye hwe Koku akuafo omanya baabi atena. Koku akuafo da wo mase. Na china ensu bio. Ti the American onim the sa crisis we ya aba this little crisis aba adwama so a NDC antimi anyina akuafo achi a omo toto papa so yi no. De bia mebusa me ho se COVID abre no and abre so na NDC abre so na esi ya. Enka support be na nke betimi dia magana fo. Me sure say nke be yenhwe ha ma nioma bebre atoche ke be yenhwe ha ama nioma bebre nipa bebre ahwe wo nkwa ena anu ya cocoa board ya so wo mboka say $214 million me ba jo so okay
cocoa board
sorry I mean gold board sorry yes wo mboka $214 million me
the report didn't state that a gold board. The report IMF, let's be clear. You see, sometimes I am investment because it seems like people may think say may heckle. You have read the IMF report, and here no you speak facts. They said that the operation gold trading, operational cost and Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana is trading
with
on gold, and
Bank of Ghana discount brain Nhyira FM na koto. Bank of Ghana.
So where are you speaking from? Say gold board na Balkan. Show me the evidence.
Does it even matter?
No. It's evidence based. Show me the evidence.
American. Problem say obi can say ma woman no cranes.
No, it's because you.
It's a substance that I'm looking for, not who interpretation.
No, I can also sit here and then you speak without facts.
Wait.
And here in the state he said gold board aboka. Show me.
Nhyira FM. Obi abre muskasa mun koto to gold. Aggregators no na
don't use Nhyira FM. What I'm asking you. No. Maybe say you can't ask me question when you haven't answered my question.
Say Nhyira FM. You abre muskasa mun koto to gold.
You can't ask me question when you haven't answered my question.
No,
I'm not defending.
You are defending.
The report, the IMF report.
We say men defend there wuntimi.
Muntimi say.
Obi abre muskasa koto to gold. Gold board na Bank of Ghana ama discuss one koto to gold.
So where are you
aggregators no one ama discuss one koto to gold.
From which report are you speaking
gold
from?
Board. Me say, it doesn't help.
No, you bring evidence to show it.
Asama me be kan krampo it wasn't because me ko blame gold board. You
just stated say. Where's the evidence that the because Pon Kroma Onukra status emphatically was asked on live TV. He couldn't prove it, and he said that he's not saying specifically that it's gold. And in besides, he now say free. Show me. That's all. That's my duty.
Duty say the American we answer and
no, but you said it straight. Yes, I have to ask.
Gold board. And now we are so about 240 million. There are some man can maybe can say. You say the cost to know your strategic cost. Ebe mo mine DA. It wasn't because me blame gold board so aboka. The same na can maybe draw their cocoa.
No, but when you make a statement, don't let it look as if discussion don't let it look as if sesebe you are trying to play around ebia what I will react to the obeka. A statement one make now what state emphatically say what he said now yes gold board aboka. And I ask you a straight question. And he state is a gold board aboka. It's your statement. But if you want to explain,
it's a banter.
There's another way of stating
it's a banter between Bank of Ghana and gold board. In fact, when they may argue say Bank of Ghana is pushing say yemfa sa ekano oma board in city in the books of gold board. So when they may argue say what your governor no meboa.
Right.
As some American wa oji we hu achinye no oji akosi say.
But if you say
me say Bank of Ghana say omo allow say 214 million no e man city on their books rather no yem push ma gold board obeji achinye we agide.
Also monye den.
As some American what in
is that what I'll get the statement and read it for you.
What statement?
Or kasa. Her statement emphatically because no.
May say
Maxwell.
Bank of Ghana is not say so almost allowed 240 million
gold trading.
You are referring to the report.
And
I'm also speaking about Asama Abechiri. I said they won't allow the 240 million to sit on their books. It is a entity on their books. How many to gold? What was the purpose of creating gold board? Bank of Ghana the sikane bre hwan so nkoto to gold no. And Bank of Ghana na na koto to gold no.
But the report states a gold board aboka. The statement you made, they said they should review.
You know who I'm you.
No, if you are attacking me, say
I'm not attacking you.
I'm defending. I'm saying bring your evidence to show. Report to this state. And I'm saying I'm here to make sure say you are proving it. Simple.
Proving what? Between Bank of Ghana, gold board, yeah, the Sikabia ma gold board so nko to gold meboa. Maybe sa wasem. Akokwa. See Bank of Ghana ma gold board
say the American better than echi nti wo de kasa. No, I won't answer your questions. What they kasa no, because the mechano you want to put your point on without answering my questions.
Yeah,
maybe say report Ben na who kasa film say. Straight, bring it. So continue. I can't 5 minutes. So continue.
5 minutes. So can make me the amount.
Obey me up to us.
And I'm making me the 5 minutes now.
So if you are done there, are you?
Because side defense now, but making a woman tell us.
Their defense. I'm asking you a question.
Yeah, go to Sikasu won't go to go to Aboka. Who do you want to move? Place a report.
I asked you that. I am a report.
Your brain Nhyira FM Sikasu won't go to good.
and I'm say IMF
gold. It is a defense now, but no back was say
defense ben. I'm not happy with the word you are using, say defense.
Now when is the
report no
when is the
Bank of Ghana's operation in gold trading, and yet one cast a gold board at 240. Quadro upon Promo state here, actually even recited.
Don't refer to Quadro upon Promo. Men are making massive and refer
to the same language. Later it changed. I'm asking you to
prove it how.
If
Yama gold board, Yama gold board, Sika Bank of Ghana on Koto to gold. Bank of Ghana on Koto gold.
The gold trade, did he
Bank of Ghana
domestic gold purchase program and why program? I'm asking
you. Bank of Ghana
gold na here to turn on.
Aggregators no. Bank of Ghana na ma wo contract. Aggregators na to gold no. Bank of Ghana na ma wo contract.
Okay, let me ask you a simple question. Edintina ye blame Cocoa Board now, and we are asking for Randy Abe's sack. What's our LBCs no? License buying companies ne koto kuku nenye a Cocoa Board ne koho street koto.
It's because Randy Abe and no one say every November, December, January, wasan kuwa release sika. Ama ya to go koko na ma kuafo kuani a wo pesika to adro wonya bi de ne ba ko school wonya bi de wait nyabete wonya bi okay
gold
board the end there wait gold board the end is not why make you comparison
no maybe say question maybe say one yenko no one mesro eye one why do you have to say no
minwe nyabete minwe
e ma ne nwa ma
mesro minwe what ya release Sikama gold boss won koto gold. Anu ye different. Randy Abede won release Sikama won koto koko. And Randy ma almost
gold. Ejade na mo se yin Ramley in free ho.
It's because one releases Ska. One kope Sikama.
Gina hwa. Now, you Cocoa Board. Cocoa Board gina ho te say Bank of Ghana. Your license buying companies, o mo ne call firm koto. Meba
analogy ni you wrong. License buying company ni aggregator. Why aggregator? On your Bank of Ghana. Why aggregator?
Wait, let me.
Ono na koto ni nyina de ba. She said the gold board akofa aggregators. Me nti analogy ni you wrong.
Wait, I'm asking you a question. Now, Cocoa Board. Esuma obi.
Aggregator.
They gave the money to aggregator. They gave the money to Gold Board.
That is aggregator.
Oh wait, they gave the money to Gold Board to go and buy. And Gold Board for on one and profit. So the operations of Gold Board. Yes, so no one in profit. So you Gold Board the CFM.
But the aggregator.
Or in profit.
But the aggregator.
See. Don't let us split this.
That's the point I'm making.
And we see a time.
Cocoa marketing company and aggregator. Gold Board or aggregator. It is our levels, no. And Franco to Bank of Ghana, dear.
Wait. So we call them what? They said they're working. License buying companies.
Yes.
Almost what your friends say other and prefer chassis so cocoa trading in more. Almost to feel pre-phone what direct a caribou tracking at the bread woman, a woman checkpoint, momu way at the Coma Cocoa Board. And what I'm saying is that so for tree now, a winchimu, Sanchimumi and San Ambassador near the yet question me bisa. One, me say, yeah, the Cocoa Board, edge now what to say Bank of Ghana. That's not maybe. Oh, the person me call from cry. Let me go back to the old things ever farm simple no. My men for finance ministry and they open Cocoa Board so. Finance ministry ewo Cocoa Board aba na LBCs naba. Now Bank of Ghana na oma finance ministry send the obeti ase.
O dey committee.
Send the obeti ase.
Metiase o dey
one e ho de chase free. O gina oma Bank of Ghana. Na Gold Board ejina ho ma Cocoa Board. Na your friends say license buying companies no aye aseo. Now my memfa finance ministry any Bank of Ghana there no. Now ye blame Gold Board. Ye blame Cocoa Board because you see Cocoa Board and to me an hwe ne no ma ye ama omanto we no. But ye kumwa ato forcing was the one all manage and until no never kasa. Everything goes to the finance ministry. But any ye actually Gold Board to say the actually Cocoa Board to say the momo ye Gold Body. Meanwhile, the source were manage adeni directly no. Finance ministry. Sana IMF the buy say Bank of Ghana any trade gold. omo na ma gold board sika so omo nko didwa Bank of Ghana beka so pe gold say or to gold say no omo hwe se omo na de be call out ahwe se off takers na amount say na de be mo nti kai be boy be gi say at the end of the day se kaba IMF chere say eye Bank of Ghana and anhwe an supervising ye it is enemy semetiwe I'll blame Cocoa Board partly. But yes, who supervise Cocoa Board first and I agric ministry, give agric ministry so by finance ministry. By TNT they are two force in the eden because finance ministry next what Cocoa Board eden. A young first one answer or you. I don't think one only your friend is reforms no day or make one. So Bank of Ghana is the one trading gold. And the gold board operations, that's what I said no, me ma was say na ko didwa. Me di we ma wa bi abeboka ntimi mfama wo ka so mfama gold board ntimi nhyɛ Bank of Ghana sɛ chenchena wo ma ne sei enkodi dwa. That is simple. It is say IMF who say na say e kana ba na yemu Bank of Ghana mo nhyehyɛ na enye den enko yie etimu review na free na kro no mo ma gold board sika mo release sika no nya ne so no na bɛyɛ den ɛbɛyɛ na accounts in bibia sɛ ɛbɛkɔ ne books mu directly. And as we stand, the report didn't say good board and I'm 2 years no, and a good board aboyenka. And that is a statement you made. And I'm personal yes. IMF report now stated that emphatically. That should be agreed. That is what I want you to understand. Unless you want to do a harmless your own
statement. I wasn't attacking gold board.
But if you say wait, I'm defending because
you were because no one is so aggressive. Then yes, I make attack gold board. I was making reference to the losses that they incurred. How strategic it is.
Who incurred?
Wait. How Wabokampa the benefits are a free move and outweighs a canayabon. That was the point I was trying to make. Wait. What way your mouse can be answered to gold. The Yaman is castle to gold. No, a caba was here in film. I say, or refer to report to be. When I see if I report no. A caba. I am a who say be a Bank of Ghana and wasn't coordinating any dear chain of Wama. Why this kind of mouse to gold, na then a can buy. You film any.
Right.
What I say? It is the American question say. I buy we say. Kokwe for no. A crassy maka. Menwe. Mobile, you know. They say yempe a situation a be beba. Na fu obo akosoro abonimu kakra ne abeka say NPP fo jaka to Ministry of Energy.
All right.
What do I say?
Me that say.
Okrase maka menwe almost amrebio. This is not the promise they give the farmers.
Okay. Thank you.
Promises on bemu omadi and they are worse off now.
All right. Me that say. Hussein Ibrahim Akwaba.